Good morning, everyone. We're going to continue with our composite shapes today, except we're going to step it up a notch and add some semicircles into our composite figures. So let's take a look at this first one. This one's already divided for you, so you can see it's clearly divided into a rectangle in here and a semicircle up here. So what we're going to do is find the area of each and then add them together. So first of all, my plan is going to be find the area of the rectangle, find the area of the semicircle, and then add them together. Okay, well, the rectangle is pretty straightforward. I have a base and a height of 18 and 3.5. So I'm going to write in here my formulas. Rectangle is base times height. And I'm going to write 18 times 3.5. Okay, and again, we're doing the same thing we did yesterday. We have a plan, we have a formula, we're going to have our substitution, and then we're going to simplify. All right, for the semicircle, now the area of a circle is pi times r squared. However, this is not a full circle. This is a semicircle. It's only half a circle. So we're going to take this area and divide it by 2. So that, and this is actually the formula for a semicircle, but you don't have to memorize that. All you have to know is that the area of a circle is pi r squared, and so half of that would be pi r squared divided by 2. And when I substitute in here, all we need to know is the radius. Well, let's take a look at the diagram. Okay, and it's not labeled here. We don't know what the radius is of this thing. This would be r, and we don't know what that is. However, this is the information we do have. I have 18 down here, which would mean this whole line is 18 as well. So if I take out this part right here, this 10 out of the 18, I'm left with 8 here. Now, that's not the radius though. That's the diameter of this circle, or semicircle if you will. So if the diameter is 8, the radius has to be 4. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to put that in here. Pi times 4 squared over 2. That's my substitution. I'm going to spread this out a little bit because it looks like I need a little bit more room. All right, so I got 18 times 3.5, and that's going to be 63. And I have this thing over here. I'm going to simplify a little bit more. Let's see, this is pi. 4 squared is 16. Please don't make the mistake of making that 4 times 2. Over 2. All right, so I would put this in my calculator. I'll do it on Alexa. Alexa, what's 16 times pi?
16 times pi is 50.2655.
So I have 50.26, and then I'm going to divide by 2, and this should be 25.13. And then I'm just going to add these together, and this looks like it's going to be 88.1. We'll round off to the nearest tenth. Okay, so you have these two separate areas. Okay, the rectangle is 63 square centimeters, and the semicircle is 25.13 square centimeters. And when added together, I get 88.1 square centimeters. And again, we're using square centimeters because this is an area.